Welcome to our channel. In this exciting video, we will take you on a journey to the near future and explore 10 mind-blowing innovations set to revolutionize technology in 2023. From groundbreaking advancements in AI to awe-inspiring developments in biotechnology, get ready to be amazed by these fascinating technologies. Quantum computing. Classical computers and quantum computers share some common properties, such as chips, circuits, and logic gates. Both types of computers operate through algorithms, which are essentially sequential instructions, and represent information using a binary code of ones and zeros. Quantum computing is a fast-developing technology that utilizes quantum mechanics laws to tackle problems that classical computers cannot solve due to their complexity. AI-powered virtual assistants. A virtual assistant, which is also known as an AI assistant or digital assistant, is a computer program that can understand spoken commands in natural language and carry out tasks for the user. Tasks that a human personal assistant traditionally performed or secretary can now be completed with the help of virtual assistants. These tasks may include dictation, reading text or email messages aloud, looking up phone numbers, scheduling, placing phone calls, and reminding the user about appointments. Some popular virtual assistants include Amazon Alexa, Apple Siri, Google Assistant, and Microsoft Cortana. Augmented reality in everyday life. Imagine a world where augmented reality seamlessly integrates into our daily routines, enhancing our experiences and transforming various industries. Consumers can benefit from augmented reality by virtually trying on sunglasses or previewing how a sofa would look in their home. Despite being digital, this technology can effectively showcase a product's physical appeal, giving buyers the confidence to purchase. Smart homes of the future. Delve into the future of smart homes, where automation, connectivity, and intelligent systems combine to create futuristic living spaces. Thanks to AI, your smart home can now automate tasks that humans traditionally did. You don't need to manually set up smart home routines anymore, as AI can do it for you. Your intelligent home assistant will learn your daily routine, including when you arrive home, your bedtime, and when you watch TV. Advanced energy storage solutions. Advanced energy storage systems convert and store electrical energy from power systems for later use. They promote efficient use and management of electrical energy, paving the way for sustainable and eco-friendly power sources. Next-generation transportation. The revolutionary transportation systems and vehicles will redefine how we travel, making it faster, safer, and more efficient. The transportation industry is evolving towards smarter energy sources, innovative modes of transport, and advanced physical and technological infrastructure to support these changes. Medical breakthroughs. AI is rapidly being integrated into healthcare. Large language model tools, LLMs, like ChatGPT, Bard, and BERT, are gaining popularity. These platforms imitate human communication, making them ideal for health-related purposes. The use of AI in healthcare has enormous potential to meet health needs. 3D printing innovation. The accessibility, customizations, efficiency, and affordability of 3D printing have brought about a new era of innovation. This technology is transforming how we produce everything, from prototypes to end-use products, through additive manufacturing. Internet of Things, IoT, advancements. IoT has seen a significant breakthrough with the emergence of edge computing. It allows devices to process data locally, eliminating the need for cloud connectivity. This results in faster processing, improved security, and reduced costs for IoT devices. With edge computing, IoT devices can make prompt decisions, which minimizes latency and enhances user experience. Biotechnology marvels. In the field of biotechnology, certain areas are expected to be used more in 2025. These include personalized medicine, genome engineering, human gene therapy, biomanufacturing, biofuels, environmental remediation, genetic engineering of disease and drought-resistant plants, synthetic biology, and the combination of nanotechnology, biotechnology, and engineering. Join us next time as we continue our exploration of technology nowadays. Thanks for watching.